main ways I like to finish off a carving is with beeswax. This is some that I've made, and in a later lesson I'm going to show you how I make it. It's very simple, and of course you need beeswax. This is beeswax. This is a lump that I got from a beekeeper. It's got the most fantastic smell. I wish you could smell it. It's covering the whole of the studio. It's unrefined in that there's all sorts of bee particles and propolis and stuff in here. We will need to refine it a little bit. But if you don't know a beekeeper or can't get hold of that sort of wax, then of course you can get candles like this, beeswax candles, little things like this from craft shops, craft fairs. They don't have to be elaborate, and it is a pity to destroy a lovely design, but you can get basic plain ones. So you can use a beeswax candle to create the beeswax. Beeswax, of course, is just one sort of wax. It's an animal wax. Humans make animal wax in our ears, but of course we don't use that. Another sort of wax is a vegetable wax, like this one. It comes from a Brazilian palm. That's called carnauba. That's how we pronounce it. Very, very hard, used on confectionery to stop it, like chocolates, to stop it melting in your hand, that sort of thing. We add a little bit of that to the beeswax, and that makes the beeswax itself very hard. So animal, vegetable, and the third sort of wax is basic mineral wax. This is coming from benzene or kerosene, paraffin, this sort of thing. You can use it, it's very pale. I don't normally use it. I believe there are various additives and things like that that actually affect the wood. And then of course you can buy a whole load of waxes ready-made. Specialised waxes like this, which have colour in them, antique coloured waxes. Here's one that's a sort of liming wax, that's white, and of course lots of little hard waxes that are used for repairing furniture. But there is something really special about making your own beeswax. You're in control of it, and I'll show you various ways in which you can adapt what you make to what you need to do. So you'll need to get yourself some beeswax, a little bit of carnauba wax possibly, and some turpentine, which I'll tell you why we need that next time. And then we'll make our wax. So that's what we'll do next.